Ashe gods and goddesses, Ashe kings and queens, greetings princes and princesses. My name is Gabor Anu, and in this particular video we're going to be talking about the absolute best water for human consumption. So that water would be distilled water. The reason distilled water is the best water for human consumption, number one, is because it has a negative charge, and we know that anything with a negative charge attracts to anything with a positive charge. So anything with a positive charge inside of your body is not supposed to be in your body at all. That's things like parasites, worms, heavy metals that are inorganic, that build liver stones, kidney stones, and gallbladder stones. And to prevent liver stones, kidney stones, and gallbladder stones, you would want to drink distilled water. So an example of distilled water would be this. You can get it at Walmart or any local market. So with that being said, distilled water has a negative charge and attracts to anything with a positive charge. Anything with a positive charge is not supposed to be in your body. Therefore, distilled water gives you optimal health. And other waters like filtered water, purified water, and things like that, they have a positive charge, so they're not going to attract to anything that's not supposed to be in your body to detox and help you flush. So with that being said, that's the number one benefit of distilled water. It detoxes and flushes things with a positive charge, such as viruses, inorganic heavy metals, toxins, chemicals, and other inorganic materials inside of your body. It also helps with the removal of stubborn parasites, worms, and fungus and plaque. So with that being said, number three would be we're gonna discuss the myth of distilled water. A big myth about distilled water is that distilled water pulls organic minerals from your body, and that's a lie. The reason is because not all minerals are the same. You have inorganic minerals and you have organic minerals. Inorganic minerals are the particular minerals that give you liver stones, kidney stones, and gallbladder stones, so you want to stay away from that, and you want to stick with distilled water. Alkaline water is also good. Alkaline water, I actually prefer, sick people to drink more alkaline water because they have a lot of acid buildup and mucus and inflammation, but things like that. But you can drink alkaline water. I recommend alkaline water for anybody, but not as often. Most of the time I prefer distilled water, and then sometimes I prefer alkaline water, or make it 50-50, but you always got to have your distilled water. So that's a myth. Distilled water does not pull out the organic minerals from your blood. It only pulls out the inorganic materials. So all the organic minerals coming from your fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, grains, beans, and other food sources, they remain in your blood system, in your body. So you don't have to worry about that. And that's a big lie, big misconception. So with that being said, number four, distilled water gives you clear skin, healthier hair, skin, and nails. It makes you get into vibrant health, optimal health, and it helps you stay free of toxic buildup of waste. So with that being said, number five, we're going to talk about nature and how God created everything in nature to have distilled fluids or distilled liquids. So number one is fruit juice. So God created fruit juice, vegetable juice, coconut water, things of that nature. Urine, semen, and blood are all distilled fluids. So these are all distilled liquids, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, that lets us know that we should already be drinking distilled water because it makes it easier on our vessel, on our body. Our body doesn't have to convert the positive charged water, which is the filtered water and the purified water, into a negative charge. Instead of having to do all that work, you could just drink distilled water and help your body out, so your body will not have to distill the water itself, you know what I'm saying? So that's the importance of distilled water. It's the most important water. It's the healthiest water. Reason why is because it prevents sickness, because it detoxes. You need water that detoxes, not water that just goes in and you know what I'm saying, your body struggles to convert it into a negative charge. But with that being said, that's the benefits of distilled water. So tell your family, tell your friends, tell everybody that the absolute best water is distilled water. Secondly is alkaline water, and every other water follows under that. You know what I'm saying? Filtered water and purified water. But any water that has a positive charge is not better than a water that has a negative charge, because negatively charged liquids and fluids help you detox your body. And it's all about detox. It's all about the removal of acids, the removal of mucus, and the removal of inflammation. So with that being said, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, stay vibrant. with that being said, it is what it is, it ain't what it ain't, and it won't be what it won't be. Hey.